brought us together in a spirit of friendly competition. We have witnessed our athletes play their hearts out. We have seen their passion and determination. Each player, each team has shown us what it means to work hard and strive for excellence and not give up. The games we have watched have been thrilling, filled with moments of joy and disappointment, triumphs and defeat, but above all, the spirit of sportsmanship. This sport even was not just about winning or losing, it was about teamwork, sportsmanship and respect. It was about pushing ourselves to do our best, not just for ourselves, but for teams and our communities. Let us not forget the coaches, the trainers, the families and the friends who have supported our athletes every step of the way. Their dedication, their encouragement, their belief in the athlete have been a source of strength and inspiration. They have shown us the power of unity, of commitment and of love. Let's not take a moment to celebrate the victory.
Ông bồi